been a shitty day and you got a face that looks like a dog's asshole. Were they here or not?
They came through earlier. I sent them to get a car.
Where?
Andrew's Auto Salvage.
Write it down.
Oh.
So it's home sweet home. And after running some errands sa bayan to set the tone and the ambience for the whole week, I have to devote the whole afternoon to cleaning. After some goodbyes sa terminal and after dispatching the initial video blog to my friends here na naka-base dito sa Lucena City, I'm going down on all fours to clean and scrub. It's not so glamorous, but gone or else we're all going to stink. Hi, it's the 10th of May 2014 and it's nice to work at home where you can more or less control your activities, especially for those with a medical condition like me. It's more prudent to work indoors. So today is cooler than yesterday because yesterday it was really so hot. Yun nga yung mga itatanong ko sa'yo. Kumbaga kasi ang hinahanap kong business, yung talagang pwede akong maging liquid agad-agad. Halimbawa, pagka tapos ng isang sale, meron ba agad ako makukuha commission? Magagamit ko kaagad?
Pag-cash kasi nakukuha mo agad. Pero pag installment din ang commission, siyempre.
Oo.
Depende sa case.
Pero pag halimbawa...
Kaya dapat kung billing mo, pag may bill mo yung unit, dapat cash basis.
Okay. Ay, ibig mo sabihin... pag cash. So, hindi ko nakuha kasi yung presyo. Magkano nga yung pinakamura?
Yung 18,800 pag cash.
Magkano?
Ay, 2,300.
2,300 ang monthly.
Less na yung tax. Less tax na yun. Hindi monthly.
Actually, so many things have happened since the very first time that I talked with music executives. Needless to say, it affected the rest of my activities. So now I am more hopeful that a two-way communication should make us all productive, and it's really high time for the time that they've invested in me, that I give back some of the advantages and incentives. Hopefully, diba? Hindi naman masama na makatulong financially. Music plays a very big part in our existence. So hopefully, hindi naman masama for us to get together and to work on how our family can also enjoy the fruit of our labor.
The question is for ano po yung reason behind the structure or design of the articulated bus? Is it for practicality-wise, or is there any other reason?
Or it's designed for mass transfer. Actually, that bus is already being used. Actually, yung system, it's a component of a more complex and interesting system, bus rapid transit, na ginagamit na sa highly progressive countries, more developed countries like Europe. In Europe, like Germany, in Singapore,
Si Crisolina de la Cuesta galing pa yan sa Grabeng.
Good evening po. Ang question ko po ay para kay Sir Renato. Mas makakatulong po ba ang express train kaysa po magdagdag na lang ng mga trains para sa regular days para sa commuters?
Sa MRT po, alam po natin, ang ultimate solution natin is kalagtagan ng mga train. Ang ating pong pamalaan ay umorder na ito ng 48 new cars na which we add additional 60% sa capacity ng MRT.
Oh, well, you done me, and you bet I felt it. I tried to beat you, but you're so hot that I melted. I fell right through the cracks. and I'm trying to get back. Before the cool done run out, I'll be giving it my bestest, and nothing's gonna stop me but divine intervention. I reckon it's again my turn to win some or learn some. I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait.